Welcome everyone to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Tuesday, the 27th of February, 2024. Hope you're having a fantastic day. As we do get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, so let's start off with the S&P 500. We've got about 5 minutes-ish or so left until the market closes. So we've had a good run up over the last couple of days. We hit an all-time high on Friday. We gapped up a little bit today and then back down. Just want to get zoomed in there. So we gapped up a little bit today, stretched up to the 5100-ish level. We got to a high of 5097.66 and we pulled back, which is okay. I don't like the gap we've got in there, at least not with a minimal of a pullback to a fib line and moving average. I'm hoping it takes another day or two. The moving average will continue to climb. I went over this in Friday's update, which you can check out on our YouTube channel as well. And we talked about that I'd like to see over the next day or two this 8 moving average get up near this fib line, and let's get a bounce off of that fib line. So from there, we're going to look at 3 stocks for today that I think have some opportunity for mañana, for tomorrow, as potential trade setups. So the very first one is NOC. And these are just in no particular order whatsoever. Right, so with NOC, you can see the overall fib of where that started. I'm going to bring this in a little bit. And we ideally want to find a trade that gives us 2 directions. Can we trade it up or down depending on which way it moves? All right, so as we're looking at it, as I said, we're looking for potential in 2 directions where possible. I can't really get that here, but I like this. So if we get back up to that previous close on this pre-gap candle, get above it, that's what we're looking at, right about 476.5. The downside trade, market just closed. Downside trade just isn't there on NOC. All right, next is PWR. This one, we've got a dual direction trade, which is called a switchback. It can go up or down. I love the pattern. I love where we're at. If it does come back and retest that 234.20 level, give me a small bounce. We've got 240.25 as resistance. So right about 238.5, 239, somewhere in there is going to be my target. If we break the 234.20 retest and fail, here's the thing, 20 to 34. All right, I need to split this level in half. It's called a Fibit. If you go over to tradinglikeaboss.com, you will find a free training on there for Fibonacci. That will show you exactly how I'm doing what I'm doing here. So I'm going to add in a negative 136. Right in there. Let's click OK. Perfect. All right. So if we do break through the 234.25 retest and fail, we're looking at 226.68 as support. So right about 228, 228.5 is going to be my target on the downside. Opportunity in both directions on this one. I love it. ENTG is the last one. Same scenario. We've got opportunity in both directions. Not big, but we do have it. We're in a bullish bias rank of 1. I love that. So and I prefer the upside. Moving averages are spreading apart. I like that part a lot. If we can get above the 133.04 retest and bounce, 137.25 resistance, so right about 136-ish is going to be my target. If we fail, retest the 133 and drop, now I'm looking at the 127.81. Snap a hard line right now at that level. That 127.81 is support. So right about 129 or so is going to be my target. So I've got $3 or $4 in either direction. So definitely an opportunity to find a trade. It's all a matter of getting the right setup and the right direction of the market. With that, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.